Hello everyone, this is How I Love Geometry. I'm Mr. Chang. This problem is from 2013. Aime12 problem number 5. It says in equilateral triangle ABC, let points D and E trisector BC. Then sine angle DAE can be expressed in the form A times square root of B over C. Find A plus B plus C. Okay. It looks like not hard, right? Because all the problems are almost easily to solve if it's in an equilateral triangle, right? Okay, I just bragging. So let's draw triangle. So right. Equilateral triangle ABC, D and E, right? D and E trisect BC. So this is D, this is E, trisector. Then sine angle DAE, okay. This, if we say this is alpha, and this half of them is beta, right? And now we just want to find sine alpha. Sine alpha equals sine 2 beta. Sine 2 beta, it means if we find the sine beta and the cosine beta, then it will be equally to got it, right? So this is trisector. So let us say this is 2A. So this is A, this is A, 2A. So this is 6A. Then we can, let me say this is F, right? That's the bisect. So F is the midpoint, we know. So AF, this is 60A, this 30 degree, this 60 degree, and 90 degree. So this is 3A, so this, how much for this one? It will be 3 times, this AF equals 3 times square root of 3. So because this is 3A, right? 2A. That's why I got 6A, 2A, A, 2A. That's half. So 3 square root of 3A, right? 1 square root 3A, then 3 times square root of 3A, 6A, 1 square root of 3, 2, right? Okay, and this is A, so how much for AD? Right, AD is square root of A squared plus this A squared. So equals square root of 28A. Now we will get sine beta equals, sine beta is A over square root of 28A. So 1 over square root of 28. Cosine beta, well, this one is 3 and the square root of 3A over square root of 28A. So 3 square root of A square root of 28, right? So what do we want? Now we got it, because sine alpha equals 2 sine beta equals cosine beta. So 2 times this one and this one. 1 over square root of 28 times 3 square root of 28. So that's 28. Here is 2, so it's 14, 3 square root of that. So the final answer is 3 plus 3 plus 14, so it's 0, 20. That's it, right? We are done for. Then I just think thought about I have another idea. V2, right? We can use V2. That's V1, V1, V1 for this. Now V2, we can use the area, right? Because this DE is just the 1/3 of the BC. So the area of ADE, this small triangle, it will be 1/3 of the triangle ABC. We know the equilateral triangle area is 1/3 times, that's 1/3. That's the area of this is square root of 3/4 times the sides squared. Sides now is 68, so squared is how much? So 1236, so it's 3 of a squared, right? Now we will get the area for this, right? This area equals, we can use the area ADE. We can use 1/2 times AD times sine alpha times AE, right? We know 1/2 times AD. We know AD is square root of 28a times AE is the same, 28a times sine alpha, and is 14a squared, right? Sine alpha, but they are the same. It means this equals 3 square root a squared and a squared. So sine alpha equals 3 square root of 4. So the answer will be the same, right? Yeah. Done. This problem is, I think, very simple. And we just familiar some trigonometry basic formula. Sine 2 alpha equals 2 sine alpha times cosine alpha. And or we can use the different triangle area formula then to find the final answer. Okay, I hope you can enjoy it. Thank you.